HBCUs were created to educate Black students who were not allowed to pursue tertiary education at white colleges in America. Since their inception, HBCUs have provided a safe space where young Black people can learn and flourish without the constraints of racism. In a world that too often offers only the stereotypical narrative, here we celebrate the impact that HBCU grads have made and are making on our world. Welcome to the greatness. Today on the HBCU Footprint, we remember the legacy of civil rights champion Mr. Vernon Jordan. Mr. Jordan was born in Atlanta on August 15, 1935, the second of three sons to Mr. Vernon and Miss Mary Bell Jordan. His higher educational journey saw him earning a bachelor's degree in political science from DePaul University in Indiana, and later a law degree from the Howard University School of Law in 1960. After earning his law degree, he moved to Atlanta to work as a civil rights attorney at the law firm of Donald L. Hollowell. There, he worked on one of his most noted cases, which involved bringing suit in federal court against the University of Georgia to integrate and allow students Charlene Hunter and Hamilton Holmes to attend. The firm won the lawsuit in 1961, leading to the desegregation of the University of Georgia. As an aside, Mr. Jordan escorted the students himself past jeering crowds on the first day of classes. Miss Charlene Hunter, now Charlene Hunter Galt, went on to be a well-renowned journalist, and Hamilton Holmes became a physician. Mr. Jordan later went on to work at the NAACP and the United Negro College Fund. In 1964, he moved from Atlanta to Arkansas to work in private practice and later worked as the Director of Voter Education for the Southern Region Council. In 1961, he became the fifth president of the National Urban League, at a pivotal moment as his presidency aligned with the passage of the Civil Rights Act, the Voting Rights Act, and the Fair Housing Act. His work took on the monumental task of ensuring equal protection under the new laws, voter registration, and mediation between blacks and law enforcement. Under his leadership, the National Urban League grew, adding 17 additional chapters. Mr. Jordan left the National Urban League in 1982 and went to work in private practice and lobbying. With all his previous civil rights knowledge and experience, he became an advisor on countless boards and to many presidents, including President Clinton and President Obama. He also authored a book titled Vernon Can Read. Mr. Jordan died on March 1, 2021 at the age of 85. For his acclaimed work in civil rights and in the legal and political arenas, we celebrate the indelible HBCU footprint of Mr. Vernon Jordan.